Hello, good morning. So Powell is staying on the Fed board after his last meeting as Fed chairman left rates on hold, and now the focus shifts to the MPC vote today, where we may see two votes for a rates hike. It's Thursday the 30th, I'm FxPlew, and this is the month-end market brief. So the MPC vote is expected to be 7-2 to hold, which will keep rates at 3.75%. Huw Pill and Megan Green are the most likely to vote for a hike. Pill has been banging on about rates being cut too fast for the past couple of years now. Given where the Fed left things, sterling could get a bit of a boost if Bailey's press conference has a mildly hawkish tone. As such, if you are a currency seller, it might be worth chopping in some of your exposure before midday today. The NIESR has been on. They've put a cost against the war. They think the UK economy will be hit to the tune of about £35 billion, and that could rise to £65 billion in adverse scenarios. Meanwhile, the IMF downgraded UK growth to 0.8% this year. It was the biggest knock within the G7, and while they didn't single out net zero for the 0.5% downgrade, it was driven by UK reliance on energy imports. And there are growing rumours that Reeves might be finally reshuffled out of number 11. I guess Starmer might be saving that one to save his skin and help distract away from the expected poor performance in the forthcoming local elections. Over in the US, the Fed left rates unchanged at Powell's final meeting as chairman. The vote was split 8-4, with 3 dissenting votes against a hold, and Trump mole Stephen Moran stuck to the script and voted for a rate cut. Standard. Powell announced he's staying on the Fed board. This will be for an undetermined period, as he's concerned by the unprecedented legal attacks on the institution battering the Fed. Meanwhile, the State Banking Committee approved the Warsh nomination with a party line vote yesterday. So dear old Donald gets his new chairman, but while Powell stays put, it will prevent Donald from filling another board seat with another Trump mole. In the market, the dollar rallied after the Fed decision, and the dollar index closed just shy of the 99 level. Sterling kicks off lower against the dollar around 134.60. We are fairly flat against the euro around 115.40, and euro dollar is down around 116.60 on the open this morning. That's it from me. Have a great day.